Hello. I am Paula Edwards. If we haven't met before, it's lovely to meet you. Thank you for spending some time with me. Today, we're going to be looking at the real truth about becoming a virtual assistant. Things that maybe people don't necessarily tell you. Because what I see in this industry, there's lots of people saying, oh, it's amazing, it's easy, it's flexible, it's work from home, you earn super duper money. I mean, hourly rate is great. And some of that is actually really true, but it doesn't just fall in your lap. So I wanted to share with you some home truths, but I don't want to put you off. I want you to make informed decisions. So as a virtual assistant, it isn't just about delivering the service. So many people think, oh, I'm great at admin or I'm super organized. I can be really good at this. I can deliver a brilliant service to my potential clients. And all of that is true. But the other things you need to remember is that you're going to be a business owner and it isn't just delivering the service. You have to do all of the other elements that as a business owner you would need to do. So that's really important to remember. The other thing is quite a lot of new VAs really struggle to find clients. Sometimes you're lucky enough that some fall into your lap. Maybe you've got people in your network already, but other times it's not easy. You have to do some marketing, show up, ask for the sale, have some sort of visibility strategy and, try to have clients in your pipeline. It's not just a one and done thing. It's an ongoing thing that you need to do, put that work in to bring the clients in. And I'm not saying all of this to put you off, because what I do want to really reiterate is that, I mean, I've been doing this 10 years and I absolutely love what I'm doing. I mean, I'm not doing virtual assistants directly anymore, but my team are. But I now am a certified director of operations, so I do that on a fractional basis for a couple of our clients. But the principle's the same. I deliver a service, but I also need to do all of the other things as a business owner. So it's important that you know this, but it's totally doable. People who go through our programs, create an amazing life for themselves. They get that freedom, they get that hourly rate, they eventually get their ideal client. So it is a really exciting way to go if you want all of those things, your work from home opportunity, your freedom, your flexibility, and everything like that. Another thing I'd say is that really important is having confidence and belief in yourself. And I think I see a lot of times that people lack that. I get it, I've totally been there. And there may be things that stop you actually getting started. I mean, we had one lady who came to one of our workshops and it took her 2 years to sign up to do our course. But that's fine. We have to get ourselves into the right headspace that we feel ready to do this thing. Maybe it's when the pain point becomes the pain of not doing it becomes stronger than the thought of doing it, and then it takes over. So, maybe that is the case for you, but I've recognized that a lot of new virtual assistants and online business managers actually lack the belief in themselves, and they shouldn't do, but I do get it. We do that, don't we? So that's why we've in our program we've got a mindset expert that does specialist support to our students to help them overcome those things. I think it's important to remember that you won't replace a full-time salary overnight, but it definitely is possible. So that's another thing. It's like it takes time to build consistent income. I always say it's like snakes and ladders. You think, oh, I've got one client, I've got two clients, now three, now four. Whoops, one needs to go. We're back down to three, and it does go like that. You don't need to take those things personally. It's an ever-evolving thing. It's a roller coaster. And once you realize it's not a personal, that they've decided to, maybe they don't have the budget anymore or they don't have the need for the role anymore. So it isn't instant overnight, full-time income replaced, but it absolutely is possible to get to that and beyond. What else to tell you? I think it's really important to have really good boundaries so that you can make sure that the freedom and flexibility you're trying to build remains, because there's a risk that if you don't have really good boundaries, then people can take advantage of that. Maybe you don't end up charging enough and it leads to burnout. So this is something that I'm really big on and we talk a lot about in our courses. But the opportunity is real, as I said, so it's important to know that this is all totally possible. I mean, as I said, I've been doing this since I started in 2016. And now we've got a team of virtual assistants and online business managers. I still work live with clients, but we've also got the academy where we've got a course for virtual assistants and online business managers. And I started where you might be today. You know, that's important to know. And I'm not special. I've just been very driven. And there's been times where, you know, I've had to overcome that lack of belief in myself as well. So it's just totally normal. It never changes. But I wouldn't change what I've done for the world. And hopefully, this has inspired you to create this freedom and flexibility for yourself. But I wanted you to know a few home truths. All right, hope that's been helpful. Take